Why, hello, it's me, Ty. Hold the applause for the end. I know, I'm great. Quick disclaimer before the show begins. The following episode contains audio and visual distortion, and flashing lights on the timestamps below. Mentioned in light talk of dying and killing, a brief moment that can be seen as ableism towards a nonverbal character, and swearing, especially Thaler. I don't know what's up with her. And that's all. Without further ado, enjoy the show.
Then he said,
I'm the alpha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Yo, who's that?
Ha, 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 is right.
What?
You look like a burnt
French fry. Ugh. Anyways.
Who are you?
Oh, you look tasty. Anyway, my name is Ty, and I am forcing you, the amazing Dozers, to go to war with the Insomniacs.
What? No, I can't hurt people. I don't want to die or make anyone else die for that matter.
Shut up!
You could use a bit of death, to be honest.
Hey, don't talk to him like that.
I'm literally a god. I can do what I want. Burnt. Pancake!
I am not a pancake.
Yeah, you are.
So, how does this work again?
Well, you'll find that out once I get this show on the road.
Can't you just tell us? I mean, there's no point if we don't know what to do.
I suppose you're right, but nah, too bad.
What did you say your name is? Ty, was it?
Correct.
Ty, maybe you should, I don't know, be nice? Maybe then people would like being in your presence.
People love being in my presence. Right?
Not so sure about that.
Yeah, sorry, not sorry.
Let's keep making fun of him.
Hello. I've already told the Dozers, but you two are going to war. Forcefully. By me.
What? No. I can't die. No, I'm too young. Please.
Jeez.
Do I need to fix people or whatever? Because I'm not doing that.
Yes. I like watching people suffer.
Okay, Edward.
And why are we doing this?
Well, I need some entertainment, of course. It was getting boring being up there. All alone. Forever. Until now!
Maybe then Marshmallow can finally die. No one likes it anyways.
Then it'll die first. Hopefully.
Marshmallow can't die. He's been here forever.
Too bad!
I swear to God I'm going to rip their heads off. Oh look! Marshmallow, Peanut, little crybaby. As always.
Dollar, maybe you should appreciate what Marshmallow is capable of.
Hell no! That smooth brain isn't capable of anything!
I mean, once you get to know it. Never mind, it's not worth trying.
Whatever. Tai, whatever your name is. Can you, go away now?
Anywho, goodbye and good luck.
Whoa.
Oh! Oh no!
What's up with you?
Don't hurt me!
What?
They're all watching! They'll laugh if I die! Please!
Don't worry, we won't hurt you.
Really?
Yeah.
Boring. Fight.
Oh,
Ho, you're quite the feisty one, eh?
Leave us alone.
Whatever. You two lovebirds can do whatever you want.
no, we aren't, well, ugh.
I don't think I've had many other friends other than Marshmallow. It feels nice.
You bet. Also, if you don't mind me asking, who's Marshmallow?
Oh dear.
Dang.
Marshy, are you alright? Are you hurt? Okay.
Sorry, what did he say?
It said it's okay.
Oh, I understand.
Pepperoni, don't you think we should kill people or something?
Nah, it's not worth it, dude.
Yeah. So, what will we do?
Good question.
So...
I have nothing. Yeah, let's just kill people.
Sounds good.
Oh, look! Charger finally got some friends. Good for them.
Are you making fun of him?
What? No!
If you wanted me to have friends, why didn't you become friends with me?
Oh.
Don't worry about them, Charger.
Let's hide somewhere before someone comes to...
Marshmallow!
You can't be making friends here, especially with people from the Insomniacs. It's a war. You need to take this seriously.
What? But we just...
Save it.
What the hell?
Q-Tip, put him down!
No, I don't think I will. In fact, if you want your little friends back, you'll have to get through me first. Ow! What the hell?
Like you said, it's a war. People gotta fight.
You...
How about you take your own advice and save it?
Thank you so much.
I never said you were safe.
But you... what?
No. You just saved us. Now you're trying to kill us? How does that make sense?
I didn't save you, I saved Charger. Reluctantly, may I add.
And this is why you always hide during wars. 'Cause you'll die. Toodles!
Just let us live. Please? We'll do anything. Well, maybe not anything. But still, please!
First aid? I think we should.
Kill them? Yeah, me too.
You really like punching people? Yeah?
Yeah, you look pretty badly hurt. I could help, but nah, I won't. Just because I don't have to. Yep, good luck with that. See you later, losers.
Ouch.
Who are you? Why are you on top of me?
I'm Betsy. Who are you?
I don't trust you. What kingdom are you?
The Dozers.
Oh, yeah, no. Can you get off of me now?
Oh, yeah. I told you to start being nice.
I'd rather not. If I do start being nice, what will I cure my boredom with?
Something normal?
No.
Come on, guys, let's just get out of here.
Yeah.
They just left? What? They can't do that.
Hey, calm down.
No.
Okay.
Waffle?
Yeah?
I like you.
You like everyone, though.
No. I mean, I like you more than most people.
I love you too.
No, wait. I didn't say that.
But that's what you meant, wasn't it?
Well... yeah.
There we go. I did my lines, Liam. Are you proud of me?
No!